Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about second year zoology syllabus. Second year total 8 chapters are there. In this first one, human anatomy and physiology 1. In this we have digestion and absorption, breathing and exchange of gases are subunits. In the first subunit digestion and absorption, we have digestive system and alimentary canal and digestive glands, the role of digestive enzymes, physiology of digestion, peristalsis, absorption and assimilation of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and then digestion and gastrointestinal hormones. Then calorific value of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Then nutritional disorders are protein energy malnutrition, indigestion, constipation, vomiting, jaundice, diarrhea, kwashiorkor. Second subunit is breathing and exchange of gases. In this we have respiratory organs in animals, different types of animals. Then human respiratory system, the mechanism of breathing and its regulation in humans, respiratory volumes and capacities, exchange of gases, transport of gases and regulation of respiratory movements. Next, disorders of respiratory system. In this we have asthma, emphysema, bronchitis, pneumonia. Occupational respiratory disorders, asbestosis, silicosis, siderosis, black lung disease in coal mine. In the second units, we have again two subunits, body fluids and circulation, excretory products and their elimination. In the body fluids and circulation, we have lymphatic system, clotting of blood, circulating pathways, human cardiovascular system, cardiac cycle, cardiac output, double circulation, regulation of cardiac activity, then different types of blood vessels, disorders of circulatory system like hypertension, coronary artery diseases, angina pectoris, and heart failure. In excretory products and their eliminations, we have mode of excretions, ammonotelism, ureotelism, uricotelism, then excretory organs in different types of animals. Human excretory system, structure of kidney and nephron, the urine formation, osmoregulation, regulation of kidney function, renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, atrial neurotic factor, ADH and diabetic insipidus, role of other organs in excretion, disorders like uremia, renal failure, renal calculi, nephritis, glomerulonephritis, dialysis using artificial kidney. Next, in third unit, again we have two subunits. In this first one, musculoskeletal system. Second one, neural control and coordination. Musculoskeletal system are consist with a skeletal muscle structure, contractile proteins and muscle contraction, muscle fatigue, Cori cycle, types of muscle fibers. Then skeletal system and its functions. The joints and structure of synovial joints, the disorders of muscular and skeletal system, myasthenia gravis, tetany, muscular dystrophy, arthritis, osteoporosis, gout, rigor mortis. In neural control and coordination, we have central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, somatic nervous system, and autonomic neural system of human. Then generation and conduction of nerve impulses. Then reflex action and reflex arc. Sensory reception and processing, sense organs, elementary structure and functioning of the eye and ear. The disorders of human neural system, Alzheimer's disease, meningitis, Parkinson disease, stroke or cerebrovascular accident. Next, in fourth chapter, we have endocrine system and chemical coordination, and then immune system. Already you know this endocrine and exocrine systems. So here endocrine glands and hormones, human endocrine system, and then hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, pancreas, gonads, hormones of kidney, heart and gastrointestinal hormones. Here the different types of hormones in first one. Then mechanism of hormone action, the role of hormones as a messengers and regulators. Then human hormonal disorders due to hypo and hypersecretion of hormones in dwarfism, acromegaly, gigantism, cretinism, goiter, exophthalmic goiter, tetany, diabetes, Addison's disease, Cushing syndrome. So in the fourth B, immune system. So here the basic concepts of immunology, cells of the immune system, organs of the immune system, types of immunity, innate immunity, acquired immunity, active and passive immunity, humoral mediated immunity, cell mediated immunity, then vaccination or immunization, then immunological disorders, HIV and AIDS, hypersensitivity disorder, autoimmune disorders, graft resections. In fifth unit, we have human reproduction system and reproductive health. The human reproductive system, we have the male reproductive system, female reproductive system, then gametogenesis, spermatogenesis and oogenesis, then menstrual cycle, fertilization, embryo development up to blastocyst formation, implantation, then gastrulation, organogenesis, then placenta formation, parturition, lactation. In reproductive health, we need for reproductive health and prevention of sexually transmitted diseases, birth control methods, need and methods, contraception and medical termination of pregnancy, amniocentesis, infertility and assisted reproductive technologies, IVF, ET, GIFT. Next unit, genetics. In genetics, we have heredity and variations, Mendel's law of inheritance with reference to Drosophila. Then pleiotropy and codominance, multiple allelisms, inheritance of blood groups and RH factor, skin color. We have some examples. Then inheritance of sex determination in humans, birds, a moth, and genic balance theory of sex determination in melanogaster and honeybees. Then sex-linked inheritance, sex linkage in Drosophila, sex-linked inheritance in human beings, hemophilia, color blindness, Mendelian disorders in humans, thalassemia, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, PKU, alkaptonuria, genetic disorders, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome, Human Genome Project, and DNA fingerprinting technology. Next, organic evolution. In this organic evolution, first one, origin of life, biological evolution, evidences for biological evolution, theories of evolution, Lamarckism, Darwin theory of evolution, natural selection with examples, mutation theory of Hugo de Vries, the modern synthetic theory of evolution, the mechanism of evolution, Hardy-Weinberg law, types of natural selection, gene flow and genetic drift, variations, adaptive radiations, Darwin's finches and adaptive radiation in marsupials, speciation, allopatric and sympatric, reproductive isolation, a brief account of evolution, origin and evolution of man. Next, applied biology. In this, animal husbandry, dairy management, poultry management, beekeeping, fishery management, biomedical applications, vaccines, molecular diagnosis, gene therapy, transgenic animals, cancer biology, stem cells therapy, biomedical technologies, diagnostic and imaging technology. In this, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, ECG, EEG, ELISA. Thank you for watching. All the best.